Hello, my name is Mark Chima, and I am the Regional Sales Manager for the South and Southeast for SICK Incorporated. So what we have here is we have a IO-Link demo. So quickly going through the demo here, you'll see here we have a Allen Bradley Micrologix PLC. We have a Ethernet IP to IO-Link master block, and then we have an IO-Link output block. The first thing you'll notice, there are no wires connected to the PLC. This is all done via the Ethernet IP to IO-Link connection. So the entire machine is being run by IO-Link, controlled by the Rockwell PLC. So here we have the SICK distance sensor, the DT35, and over here we have a SICK color sensor, which is picking up the different colors on the wheel. So let's take a look at our HMI here. So on our HMI, you see that we have pilot lights here. We have a start ball, stop ball, and we have our color wheel along with the solenoid outputs and the start and the stop of the wheel. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start the wheel here. So you see as I start the wheel, it rotates. And each color is tied to a solenoid, so when it hits that color, it's actually firing the corresponding solenoid. If we go back to our HMI, you can see on the HMI that the color wheel, or the stack light on the HMI, will go green, yellow, and red based on the corresponding color on the color wheel. Now all this data is transmitted via IO-Link. So that's the real power in the IO-Link sensors. Also, if we go here on the distance sensor, you'll see that we have a golf ball and a distance sensor. And what it's showing us on the HMI, that if I start this ball rolling, you'll see that the ball goes back and forth. So when it hits the end position, it will turn on the corresponding output. But it's also displaying the actual position of the ball. So let's take a closer look on our HMI. So you can see as it's running, the distance of the ball in millimeters is being output. That's the distance from the front face of the sensor to the golf ball. And then again, you can see when it's in the up position, I get my green light, down position, I get my green light, etc. So this whole entire demo is being controlled and connected via IO-Link. So you see the advantage is that we don't have individual wires running back to the PLC. Everything is just a quick plug-in connection, and we're off and running. In addition, you'll see that we have an HMI here, and the HMI is a wireless Ethernet connection to the PLC. So you can move around with this tablet. There is no wired connection.